How to link databases in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to link databases in Notion. Just make sure to stick around till the end so you don't miss any steps, especially the part where you connect everything together. Alright, let's get started. Head over to Notion's homepage. This is where all your data lives and where we're going to start making it a whole lot smarter. Go ahead and click the login button in the top right corner. After you're logged in, you'll land in your Notion workspace. Now pick the page where you want to link a database. It can be any page, just scroll down to a blank space or an empty text block where you want the linked database to appear. Now here's the part where the linking begins. In that empty text block, type a slash and then type linked. From the drop-down menu that appears, you're going to choose Create Linked Database. Click that option and you'll immediately see a search box pop up. This is where you select the database you want to link. You can either search for an existing database or scroll through your list. Once you select one, Notion will drop in a live view of that database right onto your page. This isn't just a static snapshot. Either you can filter, sort, and customize the view just like you would in the original database. That means you can have multiple views of the same data across different pages without duplicating anything. Super useful if you're managing things like tasks, content calendars, or any type of project that has multiple moving parts. And if you ever want to change which database is linked or how it's displayed, just click on the view name or the three dots at the top right of the block. And you can edit everything from filters to layout styles. That's pretty much it. You've now linked a database inside Notion, and you've added a whole new level of flexibility and organization to your workspace. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hope this helped you get more out of Notion. Catch you in the next video.